Change rarely makes noise. It slips in quietly, like a whisper in a tired soul. Not every step is loud. Some begin on your knees, where prides break and honesty finally breathes. In the quiet, when no one is watching, something real begins to grow. Not loud, not perfect, just consistent. And those who love you, they feel it before you say a word. A shift, a softness, a soul finding its way back. Because growth is a slow burning flame. And when it's time, life responds, not by chance, but by alignment. When the soul becomes earnest,